In this video, I will be discussing country risk evaluation models. In evaluating sovereign risk, and financial institution can use alternative methods of country risk evaluation. These alternative methods varies from the highly quantitative to very qualitative. And also in domestic credit analysis, a financial institution may rely on outside evaluation services or develop its own internal evaluation or sovereign risk models. It means that the sovereign risk country evaluation models are broadly divided into two categories. One is the outside evaluation models, another is the internal models. So in this video, I will discuss outside evaluation models. There are essentially three outside evaluation models. For example, the Euromoney Index, the Economics Intelligence Unit, and the Institutional Investor Index. First of all is the Euromoney Index. The Euromoney Country Risk Index rates sovereign risk of more than 180 countries based on opinions of a global network of economists and policy analysts. This database is updated quarterly. The index is based on a large number of economic and political factors. For example, economic characteristics, political characteristics, structural characteristics, access to capital, credit rating, debt indicators, and so on. This Euromoney Country Risk Index scores the countries ranging from 0 to 100, where 0 indicates maximum risk and 100 indicates no risk. The next one is the Economist Intelligence Unit. It is a sister concern of the Economist. It rates country risk by combined economic and political risk on 100. I mean, 100 is the maximum on a 100-point scale. The higher the number, the worse the sovereign risk rating of the country, and lower the number indicates lower risk. Here is an example of Economist Intelligence Unit country rating. It was on 2012, and you can see the different countries are rated on a point of 0 to 100. So as I already indicated, that 100 means highest risk and 0 means no risk. So you can see that some of the countries like Somalia, Syria, Sudan, Venezuela, Iraq, those are having high sovereign country risk. On the other hand, Switzerland, Singapore, Sweden, Canada, Germany, France, those are the few countries with the minimum sovereign risk. And last of all is Institutional Investor Index. The Institutional Investor Index is based on surveys of the loan officers of major multinational banks. These officers give subjective scores regarding the credit quality of given countries. Originally, the score was based on 10, but since 1980, it has been based on 100, with a score of 0 indicating the certainty of default and 100 indicating no possibility of default. The institutional investor then weights the score received from the officer surveyed by the exposure of each bank to the country in question. So these are the outside country risk evaluation models that different investors can use. However, the investors or financial institutions can also use their internal models for country risk evaluation that we discuss in the next video. Thank you very much.